Find a comfortable position. Let your feet rest on the floor. And gently settle your weight. Feel how solid the ground is beneath you. It holds you completely. You don't need to do anything right now. Nothing to fix. Nothing to solve. Just arrive here. Close your eyes if that feels right. Take a slow breath in and let it release. Again, breathe in and out. Imagine you are standing in a forest. Old trees surround you. Their roots go deep into the earth. The air is cool and still. Filtered light moves gently through the leaves. You are completely safe here. This forest has been here for 100 years. It is not afraid of anything. And right now, neither are you. Begin to notice the top of your head. Let that space soften. No tension needed there. Let it go. Now your forehead. If you've been holding anything there, let it ease. Your eyes. Let them be completely still. Your jaw. Allow it to drop, just slightly. Your neck. Release any holding. Let your head become heavy. Your shoulders. This is where so many of us carry the world. Let them drop, even a few millimeters. Feel the difference. Your arms. Let them become heavy. Your hands. Open your palms gently. Your chest. Notice your breath moving here. In and out. No effort. Just movement. Your belly. Let it be soft. You are allowed to take up space. Your lower back. Release any grip you've been holding. The earth supports you here. Your hips, let them become heavy. Sinaitiu. Your thighs, release any tension still hiding there. Your knees, your calves, your feet. Feel the ground beneath your feet. The weight of your whole body resting fully. You are here, completely here. The forest is quiet around you. A breeze moves through the branches. You hear it before you feel it. Then softly, it reaches you. Cool and gentle. This is what it feels like to rest. Your body knows how to do this. You don't have to teach it anything. Just allow it. Let every exhale carry something with it. Tiredness, worry, the weight of the day. The forest holds all of it. It is vast enough. You are safe here to let go. Take a deeper breath now. Fill your lungs completely. Hold it. And release slowly. Feel how your whole body settles. Like a tree with roots reaching down. Stable, present, quiet. Begin to notice the sounds around you. The room you're in. The temperature of the air. The weight of your body. Slowly, bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers gently. Take one more full breath. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You carried that stillness here. It belongs to you. Bring it with you into your day.